Hello and good morning. Let's talk about cheek retractors. You know them in plastic, in different size, in different forms. One issue I had with all these retractors, even the metal ones were often too sharp edges and not comfortable for the patient. So we checked out what are the possibilities, and we found that a lot of people are using these Columbia retractors. Basically, they were originally made to retract for surgeries and then were misused for dental photography. The downside is that they are rectangular. The advantage, you get them once, they stay for your lifetime, and that's why we made this. So this is basically the same concept, the same idea of the Columbia retractors, but with different ends. A smaller one, a larger one. So, and if you put them in your mouth, you see the difference? This is rectangular and this is round. So the buccal corridor is much more open. We will share more information on this in my next post. These retractors, you buy them once and you keep them for the whole life. They are indestructible, easy to clean, easy to use, round edges, no pain for your patients, 2 sizes. Well, that's the only one you need. Stay tuned for my reel on this topic. Wishing you a happy day filled with happy smiles.